So a nice feature in Vectar Plus is that you can have all your different key layers set up. And so I can bring my key layers. I've got 4 key layers in total here. But what's really nice is some people don't know that over here you can store all your presets. So you can take whatever you want in terms of a preset and just store it here. And that gives you a snapshot. So now I've got this one that I've stored earlier. And then I've got this one that I just stored now with just the 2. And this is an emem that will basically remember all of the stuff that you set up in terms of inputs and everything on the bus, anything that you change on the key layers, etc. So just a really nice little feature, and that corresponds to each ME. So if I come to any, I can set up something on ME1 and I can store it here, and it's a completely new set of memories to be stored. So really useful.